Hello and welcome to a new video by NBK-Design, and in this video I'm gonna show you the unpacking of the December 2015. And in this collection you get something very Christmassy and of course also a little winter bits. Let's go through the folders, and we have here the previews. This is a quick overview. We have an alpha here coming up with in a felt style. We have felty pieces. We have a candy cane letters. We have Loopy-La-Loozas, magic lights, pattern papers, mixed media papers. We have scribbled artsy bits, 3D snowflakes, and we have some wonderful storybook templates and weekly templates. You get two huge bundles which are separated. One is with the storybooks and the other one is with the weekly templates. So here we go. Let's go through the folders. We have the artsy bits and pieces, and you get here these nice things, and look at this cute snowman. I still can remember when I have painted it. It was in Spain and it was really hot, even it was in November, and I painted that. I bought some pens and some paint and brushes, and I made those. I twirled this brush on my paper, and this is what I came up with, and I sticked it together, and funny, it looked then like a snowman. So yes, funny pieces here. We have so little stamped dots here and brushes, and also I like those, a lot of frames, and if you have you can fill them with maybe arty bits. You can fill them with photos, of course, and I think this is very versatile to use. And here a little bit of glitter. We have also some papers here and a little bit of a stitching. And also here we have a red flower and brushes and loops, and also those icy 3D stuff we have here combined with each other. Here we have a really nice golden snowflake and some circles, and also here 3Ds snowflakes. Then we have the next folder. It's the artsy bits. You get here realistic elements like acorns, and we have a glittered leaf, a bow, buttons, Christmas balls in different styles, a red flower, a diamond heart, and a lot of glitter, glamour and stuff. Little houses here. We have a tag, leaf, so frames, glitter, and also here we have some 3D. They look almost like glass, I think. I really like them, and I think they will look awesome on your pages. I'm sorry. This. Okay, here we go. We go to the next folder. This is the felt bit and pieces, and here are really, they look so realistic. I can't believe. I really love to look at them. You get one with the stars, those baubles or Christmas balls, however you want to call them, and some cute birds, and we have here a deer and flower frames, gifts, different, a heart, and an ornament. Also here's some different ornaments and some cute snowflakes, Santa hat, and the stars, and some trees. And this is the preview here, and these were the felt bits and pieces. The next pack are the alpha, the felt alpha, and you get different colors here. You get this dark green, and then we have this gray and mint, red and white. And let's go in one folder here that you can see how they look. They have all the stitching around and the felt, and it looks very realistic when you use it on your pages, and I think you will love it. And the great thing is that you get the different colors, so you can combine everything with each other, and this makes it even versatile than only working with one color. I like the red, that's really typical Christmas style, and yes, it looks pretty awesome. Then we have the 3D snowflakes. They really look not realistic, but 3D like, and they have a kind of glamour on your pages when you use them. You can throw them over each other like I have it in the preview, and this is how it looks. And what you also can do is you can draw maybe a stem, so you have so you can draw a stem around it, and maybe you have then a flower, a winter flower. That's also possible. So there are a lot of different ways to use them. Then, which is something I created back in 2015 and not anymore, are some journal cards, and you get, well, let's see, let's open the folder. These are the journal cards in square size. Okay, that's nice that it's uploaded. You can see that. And then we go back to this. Then we have the same cards with rounded corners. Okay, then we go to the next folder. This is also included. Then we have the cards in portrait size, and this is how they look in the portrait size. And when you go back here, we have the same ones with also rounded corners here. And the third pack of the journal cards are the printables. So you also get PDF files, so you can print it and cut them. You have cutting marks here, so you are covered with everything. And I think you will have a great way to maybe create advents calendar, or use it as tags, or whatever you like to. Then we have the second pack of the journal cards, number 2, or B. It's called B. Also here you get square size, and in this pack you get numbers 1, 2 till 24. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is the snowman again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Also like that with the Santa hat. 19, 20, 21, and 22, 23. This is also very cute. And here we have the 24th. So you covered for your December, maybe document your December or whatever you like to do with those cards. And also here we have the squared one, then we have the round corner version, and in the second pack we have the same here in the portrait and horizontal versions, so they are mixed for your pocket scrapping. And of course here we have the same ones with the round corner, so you can combine them with the whole pack. Works with everything what you like to do with pocket scrapping. And also here you get the printing shades. Let's open it, that you can see it has 8 pages, and when you click through it you can see everything is with cutting marks. And also here you get the one with the round version, and then you have the version with square and horizontal, and also here round version and square and horizontal letter size, the A4. So you totally covered with everything. I threw all in what I thought that you might like to have. Yes, these were the journal cards for this December 2015 collection. It's pretty old, you think, 2015, but I really thought this collection needs to go back into my shop, and that's why I did now this video to show you the whole collection in detail and in the unpacking video. So we have here again alpha with candy cane style, and this is what you get. You get only upper cases, but they look nice, and I think you will like it to use it. The next folders are the Lupilalusas. Different ones here. You get some with the little stars and a little bit of glitter, gold here, glitter, scatter, whatever here. These are the Lupilalusas from the December 2015 collection. The magic lights are also in this pack, also here with here you can see some script in stars. We have glitter, glamour, and everything. These are the magic lights of the December 2015 collection. The mixed media papers are those ones. Also here you have the dark paper. Here is pretty nice, and a lot of grunginess here. And yes, the next folder are the pattern papers. I think they are also pretty for printers when you like to print them out and do some paper scrapbooking. And also these are really, really beautiful. Look at them. You get here one with the little diamonds and they look really sweet. And these one as well, these are also have little diamonds, star diamonds in the middle. Also we have here one. I was on a diamond trip when I created them, I guess. These are the pattern papers for the December 2015 collection. And then we have the solid papers. We have solid papers and exposure versions of the papers. These are with the frames a little bit, and here's some lightning and leaks, light leaks, overlays, and here we have the raw solid papers here. The next pack are the scribbled bits and pieces. These are really cute. I love them to create. They are all doodled and hand drawn, and they are always handy, and you can see they are not too much Christmassy, so they are always good to use in other collection or in other project than for Christmas. Okay, we have the urban script brushes here. 2 folders with two different sizes. 3,600 pixel, 12 inches that, and you get here the brush file with it. And these are the urban script brushes here. And of course, for the Photoshop users, 5, you can use them and older, and as well as the PSE. You can also use this folder and this browser brushes in older versions of your PSE and PS. So you are also covered here that you can use it in whatever kind of Photoshop elements you use. Oops, now my pen is just let me check if I can find the USB stick to, where is it? I can't find it. Let's see if it still works. If not, if it turns off, then I'm gonna use my mouse. Okay, these are the word arts, and I have some years here in the 2015, so they are maybe not very up to date, but if you have the Felty Alpha, you can create your own years. And these are the word arts for the December 2015 collection. So here we go. These are the papers, elements, whatever, journaling cards. Now we go to the storybook templates, and as always, you will get white templates, and for that you need to open them in your Photoshop or Photoshop Elements. Click on the first corner, it's named delete layer. Just delete this layer, and then you see this background, and then you click on the first layer, click hold, and then slide down, and all the layers are turned on. So this is how they look like. Okay, this is the storybook templates, and they are 12 by 12 inch, and you get 32 12 by 12 templates for December. And this is what you can do. These are all placeholders for your photos. You have everything nicely pre-designed. You can add some more designs. You can delete something. Everything is the text is so that you can override it. Only the numbers are created that in this way. Just hold on. It's the 7. You can not override it or change the font. If you like to have another font, you not need to retype maybe the number and use another font if you don't like that one I used here. These are the storybook templates, and you can see they are really, really nice, and I think you will create a wonderful piece for your memories using those kind of templates in your crafting work. Okay, here we go. These are the weekly templates. It's template 49 here, and in 2015 I have created the whole year the templates for the weekly templates like this. You get a double page, which is 24 by 12 inch, and you get this as a double page, of course, layered everything. And also I have created from the double page 2 12 by 12 templates, so you will be sure that you can mix and match everything together or use the double page. It's up to you what you like to use. This is week number 49, and then we go to the week 50, and this is how the folders will look like in when you open them. You get some white templates, and you need to open them, double click on them. You can resolve them or load them as these are free fonts. You get them in the internet when you Google them, and you can first delete the layer you can delete, and also here, this is the right side. Here, delete the first layer and click, hold, pull down, and this is the second layer, and everything will show up. I create that with those white layers because it saves a lot of server space and also download time. It reduces a lot of download time. It mostly half the time you would have or the double time you would have if I don't do it like this with this white layer on top. So this is what you can do when you have downloaded them. Only slide down here in your layers, and then everything will show up, and you can use them. Then the next week is the week 51 here, and this is how they look. It's like a honeycomb layer, and these are all placeholders for your photos, so you can really put in a lot of pictures from your from maybe Christmas time, or also you can use them. You can see them here in the preview for others reason. You can delete in the background all these snowflakes, and you have a total neutral template. The next week is the week 52. We have here also a lot of Christmassy winter stuff, ornament, and a lot of masking you see here, which can look like this. And if you use them together or if you use them separately, they can look like this one here in the corner. Then the last week and the last pack we open here for this collection is the week 53. This is only a white space, lot of space for one image only, with a text. So this is what you get, and this is how it looks like. So you can change here, use here one of those white screen images you have maybe. Also you can add from another layout or anything like that, a frame, or decorate something, a part of it. This is all up to you. It's yes, I like those double pages. Okay, this was the December 2050 collection, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a thumbs up if you watched the video, if you enjoyed to watch it. Leave some comments if you have any suggestions, and check out my gallery, check out my Instagram account or my Facebook account, subscribe to my newsletter. Everything is linked here in the description box, and we're gonna see us in the next video. Have a good time. Bye.